Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT King Kong Mini 2, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode and also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. Now, once I lock the device, you'll be able to see that I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. So number one, we'll need to turn off our device. Simply hold the power key, select power off, and once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. Okay, there we go. There was the phone turning off, so power key and volume down, or volume up, I mean. Now this boots us into boot mode, and in here we have three options. We have recovery mode, fast boot mode, and normal boot. So using only volume up, you want to navigate to the first option. As you can see, the arrow will go down and then snap back to the very top. And once it's selected, first option, recovery mode, press volume down to confirm it. Now, before we actually see the recovery mode, you will see first this Android with no command. So to get past this, you want to hold power key and press volume up once. And this will take us to the recovery mode. Now in here, using both volume keys to navigate, as you can see, volume down goes down and up goes up now. You want to select wipe data, factory reset, confirm it with power key, then select factory data reset, and again confirm it with power key. And at the bottom you should see data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So press power key once again to confirm that first option. This will initiate a reboot and also continue the process in the background. Now this will take a little bit longer than you probably used to, so for the device to turn back on. So don't worry, everything is just fine. The device is still continuing the factory reset in the background. Once it's finished, we should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.